Hello, welcome to this online science assembly.
Today we will be looking at categorizing living things. Categorizing means to put objects in a certain order.
We are animals. Animals can either be carnivores, they just eat meat.
Herbivores, they eat plants and nuts, or omnivores, they eat meat, plants and nuts.
Speaking of plants,
all animals totally rely on plants. Herbivores eat the plants, then carnivores eat them. Trees are plants. There are
deciduous trees.
They lose their leaves in the winter.
Evergreen trees.
They keep their leaves all year round.
Plants are wonderful things. From a small seed or bulb, they can grow to be the biggest trees. Each plant has roots. They absorb water and nutrients from the ground. Each plant has a stem or trunk. These carry water and nutrients to all areas of the plant. Each plant has its leaves. These are like solar panels, changing sunlight into energy.
Some plants have flowers.
flowers are used for reproduction.
This means making more of themselves.
This is done by enticing insects to go to the flower and for some tasty nectar.
They then use the stamen, which is the male part, to stick this orange substance called pollen into the back of another insect.
They then go to another flower for some more nectar.
Thank you. This flower, using the stigma, the female part removes the pollen off the insect's back.
This pollen then travels down into style into the ovary and fertilizes an egg to make a seed.
This is called seed formation.
Some flowers produce fruit. They use them for seed dispersal.
Seed dispersal means plants spreading their seeds far and wide so they can produce as many new plants as possible.
All fruits contains the plant seeds, so they get spread far and wide, and animals like us get a healthy snack.
Let's learn some names of flowers. We have chrysanthemums. We have lilies. We have gerbera. We have purple kale, and we have a rose.
Trees and plants are also crucial in our fight against climate change.
They can absorb carbon from the air and lock it away.
Carbon
is a chemical element that contributes to climate change.
So we must give plants and trees what they need.
Air, light, soil, nutrients and room to grow.
If we keep removing plants and trees, this will change the environment and can pose dangers to all living things, including us.
Planting seeds and gardening is a wonderful thing to do and excellent for your mental health.
Here's how to grow a runner bean plant.
First, get an empty plant pot or a cup.
We're using a transparent one so we can see the roots growing.
Transparent means see-through.
Fill it with soil and compost and gently press it down.
Then place your seed in about 2 centimeters below the surface.
Water lightly every couple of days and put it in a warm, light area around your house.
Soon it should germinate.
Start growing.
And then in time become a fully grown runner bean plant.
We'll catch up it again in the future.
Okay, quiz time.
Could teachers please pause the videos after each question and ask any child with their hand up? What do you call an animal that just eats meat? That's right, carnivore.
What is a herbivore? That's right, an animal that only eats plants.
Some humans only eat plants, but most eat plants and meat. What are they called? Omnivores.
What is a deciduous tree? One that loses its leaves in the winter.
What do you call a tree that keeps its leaves all year round? That's right, evergreen.
What part of a plant or a tree is normally found underground? That's right, its roots.
What part of a plant A tree acts like a solar panel. Leaves.
What does seed dispersal mean? Spreading seeds far and wide.
How many of the 5 things do plants need that you can name? Air, light, water, nutrients from soil, and room to grow.
We hope you're inspired to investigate more about plants and animals. Thanks for watching our assembly.
And remember, stay curious.